Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So today's video is about dynamic ads and how you can create it for your real estate niche. If you're running a real estate ads and you want to create a dynamic ads and test different ad copies and ad creatives all together in one ad level, I'll show you how you can do it. But this video is also for the people who don't want to run specifically real estate niche and they're working with wellness or construction or any other niche. They can use the same pattern to create their dynamic ads. But in this example, I will show you how I set up real estate campaign for dynamic ads. Let's jump into our video. And before jumping into our video, we need to do to create the campaign is simply we need to create a lead objective campaign. And so we're running a lead form campaign. Basically, if you're going to run a website lead campaign, still you need to select the lead as an objective, and then in the ad set area you can choose whether you want the lead to be directed on the lead form or the website landing page form. So on the campaign level, we need to select housing because we are running a real estate campaign. So we must need to choose a special category here. Otherwise, you don't need to choose any category because these four categories are special categories. If you're running wellness campaign, in construction campaign, a housing services campaign, you don't need to choose any of these. Except these four categories, you need to choose the special category. Otherwise, your ads will get rejected and your campaign will be wasted. If you still come back and fix this category, your campaign will not perform really well. So choose the correct category when you're creating the campaign on the first level. So here we just name it lead form campaign. Yeah. So after this, we will not do anything here. We will not use the campaign budgeting. We'll go to the ad set area, and then for the starter, we'll create a broad campaign, and we're going to choose the page. So once we choose the correct page for ourselves, we're going to go turn on the dynamic creative. So this is the option you need to turn on to convert your normal campaign into dynamic campaign. Otherwise, it will not work. So on the ad set level, you must need to turn this option on dynamic creatives. After this, we're going to set up the budget. So the budget is fine for us. We're going to change the location. So after adding the location, we go scroll down. We don't need to change anything else here. And we'll go towards the ad level. So now the magic happens here in the ad level. Everything happens here where once you select the dynamic creatives. So let me add the video and then we'll slowly add all the ad copies so you know how it works. Alright, so we have added the video. Before going into the ad copy, you just need to uncheck this option here. Otherwise, it will show your ads alongside other ads in the same category. So we don't want this option to be turned on. So just check this off. Once the video is added, you can add more videos and images in the same ad. That's the beauty of dynamic creative. So I'm just adding the one video here, but you can do it like you can select up to 10 different images and videos in the same ad. So once you do it, we'll go towards the ad copy, and let me copy all the ad copies I have quickly in here, and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so I have added all 5 primary text, all 5 headlines. If you need to add more, just need to click the add another. So how you can add another primary text, just need to click here and copy your text here. So now we have 5 different primary text, 5 different headlines, and we can test all of them with one ad copy and one ad creatives. But if we have option to add 9 more, but I'm not adding more in this campaign. So we are just testing 5 different primary text, 5 different headline with one video ads. So Facebook will automatically show the best version of our ad copy to the users who are most likely to convert. So let's go down to description. So this is really good side. Like in dynamic creatives, you can add 5 different ad copies, 5 different primary text, 5 different descriptions, 5 different call to action. So you can test everything in one ad. You don't need to create five different ads. You don't need to create five different ads to test all these options. So people usually like create five different ads and test everything in five different ads. So that's not really good idea. And your budget is also divided in five different ad levels. The best option is to create one ad and then like utilize all your budget on one ad and it will perform really. Here we can simply just put the description. I use all these description here. Let me quickly copy all the description here. All right, guys. So I have copied all five descriptions here. You can see like now I will be testing five different descriptions with one ad creatives. And for the action, call to action also, I can use five different call to action. So I'm going to do sign up, apply now, book now, learn more. And what else we have? I guess that's it. Yeah. Here. So we're going to use five different call to action, five different description, five different headlines, and the primary text. So this is a really good campaign up till now. So here we're going to create a lead form for us. So what we need here, we're just going to continue to say lead form. Um, right. So and here we use a form that gives the load and submit a mobile review at a review step that gives people a chance to review information. So yeah, we don't need to change anything here. We just go next. And here we'll use the same headline we have. So here I have used the same headline and description which we use in the ad. So any of the headline and description which fits best for us. So we'll use here and then we'll add the phone number, name, and email address. Let's place them correctly. And then we have another question to add in our lead form. So we're going to use the multiple choice question, and here we'll add our question to make the lead more qualified. All right, so we have added our both separate questions here, and then we have the name, email address, and phone number selected, and yeah, that's it. We don't need anything else here. I have also explained about the logical, conditional logic questions, how you can use it and how you can make your lead form more qualified and avoid the spam leads on your lead form and have the high quality leads. You can watch that video. I guess it's about the eliminating the you can watch that video. It's about the spam leads on your Facebook ads, and you can have a great idea about creating the logic questions for your lead form. You watch that video to understand how logic questions work in lead form. So let's go to next stage, and here we need to display the privacy policy for our page, and we have something we need to fix here. Yeah, description. Build the information and below. So let's put this is this. Go on to the next page. We'll put the privacy policy page here. Let's grab the link. Alright, so we're going to use the privacy policy link here. Next, thank you. You're visiting the website. I just want to chat on WhatsApp, chat on Messenger. So we'll just use the chat on Messenger here because we don't have a landing page. We're just collecting leads for them. So after this, we'll just create the form and then we need to put the description. So we'll just copy the same description. Alright, so I've used the same description before as we used. We'll create the form here. Once the form is created, we're good to go. We just need to set up the pixels. And if you have already set up the pixels before, you just need to select them here and then the URL parameters. These are really important fields in your campaign. You must know how to set up properly and how to use them. So I have another video about this and it's a really good topic to understand. You can watch that video. It's URL parameters or the title should be URL parameters of that video. And you can understand about all the URL parameters, how they work, which one you need to choose and how you can track your lead journey by using URL parameters. So we're just going to set this up here. Once we have it, we don't need to set up anything else and our campaign is ready to go live. So guys, this is really easy process for dynamic ads. You don't need to do anything else. This is a basic setup and really good high performing campaign you can set up easily in just 10 minutes. If you like this video, consider subscribing to your channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.